Want to level up your mastery fast in Blox Fruits? Here are the best methods to grind mastery, both actively and AFK. First, passive grinding, NPC farming. The simplest but most effective method, farm NPCs. Head to Chocolate Island and fight the NPCs there. They spawn fast and give great mastery. If you're using Cyborg V4 with energy control gear, the energy regen and AoE damage make this even easier and insanely fast. Next, grind the Lungma boss. You'll need to complete the Tushita puzzle and be level 2000 plus to access him. Each defeat gives around 1.5 million mastery, even without a game pass. Just kill, server hop, and repeat. Lungma is considered the best boss for farming mastery efficiently. AFK methods, auto-clicker. Don't want to grind manually? Here are some AFK setups. Go to Haunted Castle near the Reborn Skeletons. Use Buddha Fruit. Climb onto a building and activate an auto-clicker to stay active and deal damage safely. If you're using Electric Claw or Dark Blade, go to the Palace Corner. The wall will stop movement while you keep hitting enemies. For fruit or gun mastery, return to Chocolate Island and position yourself where enemies can't hit you, then use a macro or multi-point auto-clicker to auto-activate abilities. You can even use these setups without Buddha. Just position yourself carefully and let the auto-clicker do the work. And that's how you farm mastery easily in Blox Fruits, whether you're grinding, boss hunting, or going full AFK. Follow for more Blox tips and comment if you want a full macro setup tutorial next.